We're back here today at the skills competition at St. Lawrence College, here to learn about a new category. Heavy equipment repair is a new category here today. Could you please tell me a little bit more about it and what's going on?
Absolutely. So we're here at St. Lawrence College today for Limestone Skills. The heavy equipment repair is new to Limestone this year. We just opened a course at Napanee District Secondary School offering heavy equipment repair. So the kids are pretty excited. So this year we're doing a demonstration or a trial at the Limestone level, and then we're going to take kids from Limestone to the Ontario level in Toronto in May.
Could you tell me a little bit about some of the important outcomes of the competition here today?
The best part about doing the program at Napanee and through Skills is being involved with community partners. We're 5 in Napanee has supplied equipment, and Battlefield in Kingston has supplied equipment for us to work on.
Okay.
So it gives kids real world experience on working on real equipment that customers own or rent.
So we're here today at the heavy equipment repair competition. Liam, can you please tell me kind of what's going on here today? What are you guys building?
So today we have some different machinery like the skid steer, and we also have a mini excavator. There's parts labeled on it that we have to figure out what those parts are. We can use computers and the diagrams to find out the part number and what the name of the part is. And there also is, on the Mini-X, there's a light out. We have to figure out, we got to trace it back to like a fuse or what's going on with it.
The Limestone Skills Competition allows students to push the boundaries of their learning, testing, and using their skills like they might one day in a career of their choice.
Learning in Limestone is brought to you by the Limestone District School Board.